Hello, this is Chef Nicko with Food Cravings. Today we're making Mediterranean style cabbage salad, and I'm going to show you my take on it. Here I have one whole head of cabbage, which I'm going to cut up along with 2 cloves of garlic to start with. Also half a lemon. Let's get to it. This is such a popular side dish. It's so easy to make and it's a great addition to any meal. First we start by cutting our cabbage in half. Then we remove the core on the bottom part by cutting it out. Now I'll just toss that out. Next I'm going to shred the cabbage using a mandolin. Safety is very important. We don't want to cut any digits off, so don't do as I did here. Just use the mandolin guard if you're going to use a mandolin to do this, or practice safety skills using a knife effectively to shred it. Now we're going to add some crushed garlic. Next we're going to add some fresh mint, but first we're going to give it a quick dice. This helps release the essential oils of the herb itself. Now we're going to add that to the bowl, along with the remaining pieces. And next we're going to get ready to add in a couple of spices. First we're going to hit it with some Aleppo pepper. Then we're going to hit it with some dry mint. Now we're going to go ahead and add some sumac. At this time we're going to go ahead and add a key ingredient, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I find the balance between sumac and lemon juice along with the garlic, fresh mint, the contrast of dry mint in there, and some Aleppo pepper, along with a drizzle of olive oil, a very harmonious addition, because all the flavors, they homogenize together and counterbalance each other. Now you can see we're giving it a nice stir, and this has to really incorporate itself. And I'm not just talking about a quick toss like a regular salad, I'm talking about really incorporating the flavors here. And there's a right time to add, you guessed it, some salt. It's important to understand why we add the salt after everything else, because you have the lemon juice with the sumac giving it a double twang, along with the mint being incorporated, and as we're stirring, the key ingredient is salt. That will stick to everything along with the olive oil. And here I was stirring around a little bit before I went in for a taste. And I stirred some more before putting the fork back into the bowl. It's amazing what people go through just to find that twang. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe for Mediterranean style cabbage salad. For more info and ingredients list, please visit www.chefnicko.blogspot.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as sharing the video with your friends. Thanks. Bon appetit.